Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to root your Android device. First, we're going to talk about what is rooting. Rooting is a method used to get into the code base of the Android devices. So every operating system has a code that's written by the Android engineers, and rooting is a process to get into that code so you can make further changes or install apps that are prohibited on the app store, or the network has not allowed you to download that app. So rooting helps you do all of that. Well, if you root your device, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Firstly, it voids the warranty of your device. If your device is under warranty or in the first year of your device, that's the warranty is covered, then it voids. You won't have warranty thereafter after rooting your devices. There's a 3% chance that your phone might break completely. Basically, sometimes when rooting does not go through the correct way, your phone gets bricked, which means that you're as well carrying a brick in your pocket because the phone becomes of no use. But it's a 3% chance, but very small percentage chance that this is gonna happen. So I highly do not recommend rooting. Well, every Android device has a specific way to root your device, and there's a link from XDA developers in the description down below, which you can use for specific device. Basically, it is installing an app onto your device, and the rooting is just a process from thereafter. The app takes care of everything else. Get a 90% charge on your phone, then you turn on the app and click on root. It does the job. I highly do not recommend this process, but if you want to install an app that's not allowed on your device, then you don't have any other chance. Well, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.